Hello everyone, my name is Kristopher and I'm here to show you how to install the Underground Nexus by Cloud Underground. Many of you hear me talk about the Underground Nexus, what it is, what it can do, and for some people it has been elusive on how to get it, how to install it. So I'm going to show you that today. Appreciate you guys joining me as we install a new copy of the Underground Nexus. Okay, so first what you're going to want to have to download is Docker Desktop. So as you can see here, I've got Docker Desktop here on my Mac. It also runs on Windows. If you're going to be using it in Windows, you're going to want to download the WSL2 backend. Otherwise, it's just not going to work. So remember that. If you got Windows, download the WSL2 backend. It's not going to work. I'm going to close that out for now. So as you can see, this is the main page here for the Docker Desktop. It's got different guides you can do. Download a bunch of different images. Here you'll see I have nothing installed yet. It's just a fresh copy of Docker. Now what you're going to want to do is open a terminal. So it's going to be this here. And also in Windows, it's going to be a CMD command to get your Windows terminal up. Okay, next we're going to want to go over to GitHub. You're going to want to go to the Underground Ops page with the Underground Nexus. So it's github.com/underground-ops/underground-nexus. All right. So then what you're going to do is scroll down until you see step 1. So step 1, you're going to want to pull the appropriate version of the Nexus. So if you're using a modern system, say an older MacBook like mine, you're going to want to use the AMD 64. Also, if you're running Windows, you can also use this as well. For, I believe, the new Mac version, which has the M1 chip, you're going to want the ARM system. So you're going to pull the secure version. So I'm going to use this one right here. Docker secure pull for Docker desktop or AMD 64 systems. You're going to take this command, copy it, and up here you're going to paste it. Hit enter. It's going to do its thing. As you can see, it's going to start running the commands and start building out the volumes, images, and container that you need for the Underground Nexus. It's not going to take too long for this part, maybe just a couple of minutes. The next step is what's going to take the longest, and I will see you back here in a second when this is all finished. Okay, great. Welcome back. Thanks for joining me once again. My name is Kristopher. I'm showing you how to install the Underground Nexus. So we're now at step 2. As you can see here, the first command, the Docker Hub secure pull for Docker desktop or AMD 64 systems, is now complete. See in our terminal, we're back at the command line. Okay, so now we are going to scroll down. Oh, too far. And activate the Underground Nexus. This is the only necessary command to run it. You're going to want to do this after the first command that I showed you in the first portion of the video. So once again, we're going to copy this. We go over to our terminal. I'm going to paste that command here. And we're going to hit enter. Now, keep in mind, while we're doing this, this is going to take a while. Some systems, maybe 25 minutes, other systems, 45 minutes, depending on your connection speed and the speed of your computer. Don't worry if it looks like it's getting stuck. It probably is not getting stuck. It's just continuing to do its thing. As you can see, it's running here in the terminal and downloading all the packages and dependencies from GitHub. All right, so what is the Underground Nexus? Let's talk about that for a second. So the Underground Nexus is a tool to allow you to develop in the cloud with the ease and security when you build your own software factory. With the Underground Nexus copy and paste data center, you can basically do whatever you want. It's everything and nothing all at once. It's cloud native. It's a DevSecOps data center software factory, all developed by Cloud Underground. The Underground Nexus and its tools really allows you to manage your entire pipeline from engineer to end-to-end user, all from a fully secure, customizable browser-based desktop environment. Collaborate with your team securely, safely, and really all over the world. We like to call it a copy and paste data center, software factory. You can build a security operations center or a SIEM, security information event management system with it. It does quite a bit. I have built out my own HipHop&SecOps, which was streaming music 24/7 while monitoring cybersecurity in real time. That's pretty cool. You can run it in the cloud. You can run it on your local machine. It's fully scalable, and it is fully agnostic, so you can hook it into any cloud environment that you want to, meaning AWS, Google Cloud, Linode, DigitalOcean, or Azure. So you can use whatever tools you want, migrate it to your existing tool suite, or seek advice from our talented people here at Cloud Underground. You can do it yourself or have us do it for you. It really helps you build a business or simply build your skills to learn DevSecOps by building a satellite hacking bug bounty battle station, pen testing station, software factory. You can build WordPress sites inside of it. It's pretty cool. Like I said, I built out the HipHop&SecOps, world's first hip hop security operations center, streaming 24/7 instrumental hip hop. So it's all open source. You can pick up your own copy of it by visiting cloudunderground.dev/underground-nexus and find the link to download the Nexus for free. And you can download that for free and set it all up yourself by visiting our GitHub, which is located on the Cloud Underground link I just gave you. So as you can see, it's still doing its thing over here. It's going to take a while, and for right now, I'll save you the lengthy download that it's going to take, and I'll see you here in the next video. Hello, and welcome back to the installation of the Underground Nexus. Once again, my name is Kristopher. I'm here to show you how to install the Underground Nexus. Now, it is all complete. We have got our, in our terminal over here, you'll see that it is done running the script. Close that out. You'll see now that in Docker here, got the Underground Nexus container, got the images, and if this was populated, it would show you all the different volumes. So now what you do is you open up a browser tab and type in localhost :1000, and it's going to bring up a screen that looks like this. That's a little slow because it's running inside my computer. But this is essentially what the desktop looks like. And from here, you can change your password to get into Pi-hole. You can enter Portainer. You can use the Kali Linux. You can use Visual Basic in here. You can do quite a bit. Anyways, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. You guys have a great day.